gentlemen, welcome back to 5 Minutes of Math. This is Mr. Lunsford, and I am glad you joined me this evening. Tonight's homework is for the evening of March 28th, 2018, and we are looking at the characteristics of polyhedra, and specifically we're looking at cross sections. Well, let's get started. One thing that I had intended to do back in October when I began these episodes of 5 Minutes of Math was to have a mathematics genius of the week, where I just said, you know, here's a student and I really respect what they do, and here's why I think they're awesome. Well, I haven't been able to do that because of time, because of a couple of other things that got in the way, but I wanted to make sure I took a moment tonight to say thank you. In the middle of all this testing, in the middle of all this other stuff, I have a group of students who make it their business to make sure they not only watch the episodes, but they do the homework as they are intended to do it. And I really do appreciate that. So here's a shout out. Block 2, Shadeja, thank you. Tyler, thank you. The other Tyler, thank you. I teach almost 4 Tyler, so yeah. Imani, thank you for doing your homework. Arius, thank you. And Block 3, Hannah, thank you for hanging in there. Shamara, thank you for hanging in there. I appreciate that. Jemiah, she's always, I don't think Jemiah's ever missed a day of homework, so thank you very much. Jabron, Block 4, thank you so much. Cameron H, thank you. I know you want to kind of keep it on the low that you're doing your work like this, but I appreciate that. Please keep it up. Devante, thank you. Kamarion, thank you. And of course, Jakari, I really do appreciate that, man. You hang in there, all right? Block 5, Donisha, thank you. Block 6, Dorian, that's another person, I don't think he's ever missed a day. Dorian, thank you. Derek, thank you. Alicia, thank you for doing your homework. And you guys do an incredible job, and I wish my handwriting was as neat as some of what you all turn in. So, so let's get back to the math. So this set of problems looks at the cross section, looking at polyhedra. So the question is, describe the shape resulting from each cross section. So here we have a cone. So we're going to cut that cone across the middle. We're going to lift up the top, and what shape is this? This shape is a circle, and that's all you need to write down: the shape of a circle and the word circle. Now, if you can draw the cone and the plane and all that, that's fine. But this math right now, I told you it's about relationships. This is still math, it's geometry, but we're not using numbers tonight. So that's a circle. Moving on to number 6. Number 6 is the same question. What shape results from each cross section? Here is a triangular pyramid. If we take that triangular pyramid and divide it down the middle, the shape that results, see that gray triangle? And again, I said it, triangle. That's all there is to it. So it's kind of like cutting a potato or cutting a carrot, and you guys do this all the time in the kitchen. You cut a piece of food and you look at the shape that results from it. That's all we're doing here. So let's look at number 7. Same question. The shape this time is a rectangular prism. So what happens when we take a cross section? Well, let's take our plane and we're going to drop it across our rectangular prism, and we end up with a parallelogram. And that's the answer to number 7. And that's it. Y'all take care, and remember, math is not just about numbers. It's all about the relationships that surround us every day. Have a good one.